Hi, today our topic is about Zoho expenses. Zoho is an Indian-based company. It is also expanded into so many countries. It is also available in the USA also. Zoho expenses is an expense management and travel expense software for Zoho Corporation, aimed to automate the workflow of expense reporting approvals. Launched, this company was launched in 2015. It is part of a larger Zoho suite of business apps, which includes Zoho Books, Accounting, Zoho CRM, and more. How Zoho expense work? This company key features: receipt capture and OCR. You can take a photo of a receipt. The system automatically scans to extract merchant or amount data and more to reduce the manual entry. Expense reports and submissions. Employee can also group their expenses into report and submit them to manager or finance for approvals and approval workflows. Customizable multi-level approvals, configurable policies, automatic notifications, corporate cards, reconciliations. You can connect a credit card or debit card, import transaction feeds, reconcile them with submitted expenses, multi-currencies and travel integrations. Supports multiple currencies, helpful for international travel or expenses. Also some trip request or pre-travel approvals. Reporting and analytics, dashboard audit trails, reports or spending by employee or department or policy violations. Integrations works with other Zoho apps, books, CRM, and third-party accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xerox, and the security permissions. Role-based access, SSL, multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, etc. At this company strengths, automation reduces manual work. OCR for receipt capture, auto fetching, card transactions, auto submissions, travel features, policy enforcements, reduce dilution manual tasks. Good for a small to mid-sized companies. It provides a lots of functionalities for its cost. The features are often more than sufficient without huge complexity or cost. Integrations with the Zoho ecosystems with external tools. If a company is already using Zoho Books, Zoho CRM, Zoho apps, the integration is a tight, easy data flow, also fairly good support for common accounting integrations, flexibility and policy controls, ability to define approval workflow, policy rules, duplicate detections, helps maintaining control of and reduce misuses. Mobile accessibility, Android and iOS apps that allows uploading receipts, approval reports, etc. on the ongoing, helpful for remote workflow travels. Visibility auditing and reporting, centralized track of all expenses, visibility into spending audit trails. This helps for financial oversight, detection, policy violations, budget controllings. Cost value relative to many enterprises grade T&D tools. Zoho expenses give good functionality at a more affordable prices, particularly good for companies that don't need ultra complex travel or income invoice or AP tools. Automations features, implications in reviews. This company also have the some disadvantages and weaknesses. These major disadvantages are feature depth in some area is limited. It is a force to expense management, so accounting receivability, payability is a weak or minimal. If a business wants to combine a full AP or AR suite, Zoho expense alone won't suffice. Tax compliances or advanced regulatory reporting features are not as strong as some specialized players. Customization or reporting limitations. Some users report there while there are many reported options. highly customized or complex reporting may be harder to build or have limitations. Some integrations with third-party tools have bugs or incomplete data in syncs. Mobile or app performance issues. Occasionally, users report lag or crashes, especially when handling many receipts or performing bulk uploads. Synchronization delays between mobile app and the system or services. Global or multi-currency international limitations. While multi-currency is supported, some parts of internationalized can be less mature compared to tools built specifically for global enterprises. Travel and spend. Learning curve. Because of its many features, there are some complexity. Admins or users may need training to make full use of approval workflows, policies, auditing, etc. Support and stability. Some users report slower response or difficulty in support when argument issues arises. Occasionally, card features or integration breaks. Not a full suite. If a business needs a travel booking services, invoice, AP, payment vendor management, etc., or high complexity Zoho expenses will need to be supplementation with other tools. It's a strong at its core use case, but it's not a full spend management platform in the enterprise class. Use cases are a best fit. Some of the mid-sized companies that won't be eliminate a spreadsheet or a manual work around expense reporting. Companies are already using Zoho, other apps like Books, CRM, etc. So they can leverage an integration. Organizations with a moderate travel or expense volume, but extremely complex travel or global regulatory burdens. Firms looking for good cost efficiency versus a more expensive legacy or enterprise and systems. Very large enterprises with heavy international travels, multiple currencies with complex rules, many vendor suppliers, financial operations needs. Companies needing a very ERP level spend. Procurement, vendor management, and full invoice automation or full financial compliances in many registrations. So this is about the Zoho expenses. It is an Indian-based company. It is under the Zoho Corporation. Thank you for supporting me, for giving this opportunity to tell about this company. Thank you. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe.